Hi all. Today I want to build an Angular application. Here I have in Notepad few steps. Let's follow these steps. Let me create new project. I am copying this command and opening in command prompt. I have created one folder. You also can create inside I am creating. Just paste it here, and for this I am going to use CSS. For the creation it may take couple of minutes. Project got created. Let me, yeah, this is the project. Let me enter into this project, copy this command and paste it here. Now you are in project. After that, we need to install Bootstrap. Copy this command and paste it here. And this is installing now. Bootstrap install now. Now we can open this project into Visual Studio Code. Just type code space dot. It will open. So when you see here you can see package.json file. When you see here Bootstrap 5.3.3 installed. Now we can add Bootstrap path to Angular. Open angular.js file, angular.json file. Here you can see styles. Just to copy and paste it this path. And also you can copy another path, bundle.min.js. In the scripts, you can paste it here. Go to Visual Studio Code. Now you can run your project. Give this command ng0. For this, it may take couple of minutes. Yeah, compilation done. Now go to browser. Here you can see path. Just type localhost 4200. Here our project got loaded. Let me open the project and go to apps folder. Here you can see all the files. We have model.ts file, model.component.ts file, and HTML. Here it is the dummy code they have added. Let me remove this code and add one h1 tag. I'm just giving my project. When you go to browser, this text is reflecting. Next step, we can generate component. This is the command. Copy that. When you give Control C, it will exit the compilation. Now we can paste it and we can able to generate this feature component. When you go to the apps folder, here you can able to see component folder. Inside we have features. Inside we have CSS file, HTML file, and TS file. Let me generate one more component for the filter. So this folder got created. When you open components, two folders inside we can see. Let me do it for others as well. So these are the folders inside component we have. So feature, filter, and footer, and navbar and testimonials as well. Now what we can do, when we open app.component.html file, here we have navbar folder. In selector I'm copying and go to app.component.html file and add this selector. Now when you refresh your page, it is not reflecting. Might be we stopped compilation. Just rerun the project. Now go and refresh it. Now we can able to see navbar works.